Kentucky Wonder by Randy. Good morning. It's Saturday, May the 16th. Plowed the weeds out of the garden yesterday. Look at the corn. That's peaches and cream. Sweet corn. And we got cucumbers in this row. Here are the birds. We're supposed to get rain today. We're gonna put tomatoes in there. It was a frost the other morning. It's rattlesnake pole beans. Them's half Mountaineer, half Runners. And we got carrots here and lettuce on the end. 2 or 3 different kinds of cabbage. And getting little heads. Brussels sprouts. And more cabbage, cauliflower. Onions and beets, Detroit beets. Everything looks fresh of the morning, don't it, Marcy? Made us a nice bench to set in. I trimmed that tree in January, I think. Look at there. All leaves, limbs. That's a Bradford pear. But we're lucky to have any beans. It frosted the other morning and